Plush Seats Incorporated. A manufacturer of car seats receives an order from a customer for a newly launched car seat design to be delivered within a specific time frame. Plush Seats Incorporated staff reaches out to the online AI bot to get the estimation of work and procurement plan. Feeding in specific inputs helps the bot suggest the approximate cost, schedule, and vendors to source the material from, all within minutes. Once the customer approves the estimate, the Risk Analyzer AI bot quickly analyzes vendor contracts to suggest low-risk, low-cost vendors. And upon finalization, the shortlisted vendor ships the raw material. Next, Optimizer AI bot recommends the most suitable assembly lines for manufacturing each batch. And voila! The new car seats are produced and ready for delivery. The customer is happy with improved personalization, convenience, and comfort received. Thanks to AI-enabled optimized manufacturing, Plush Seats Incorporated has improved profit and reduced risk. AI-optimized production, powered by Infosys.